Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unpin a message on Telegram in just a few quick steps. Whether you're using it on mobile or desktop, the process is super simple and only takes a few seconds. First, open Telegram and head straight to the chat where the pinned message is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group, or even a channel anywhere you've previously pinned something important. You'll notice that pinned messages always appear at the very top of your chat, making them easy to spot. Next, tap the pinned message displayed at the top of the screen. Doing this will automatically scroll the chat to that specific message, so you can see exactly where it is and interact with it directly. Once you're on that message, single tap on it. A small options menu will appear, giving you a list of actions you can take. Here, look for the option labeled Unpin. Go ahead and select it. The moment you do, Telegram will remove the pin from that message, and it will no longer stay fixed at the top of your chat window. And that's it. The message remains in your conversation history, but it's no longer pinned in place. This can help keep your chats organized, especially if you no longer need quick access to that information, or if you simply want to tidy up your group interface. If you ever want to pin another message later, just repeat the same steps and choose pin instead. You can always change which message stays on top depending on what's most important for you or your group at that moment. So now you know exactly how to unpin a message on Telegram quickly and easily. It's a small trick, but one that keeps your chats cleaner and your messages better organized. Thanks for watching.